Hi, I'm divorce and family law attorney Kyle Scoresby. Some people come to my office asking if they can get custody of a child that is not their biological child. Um, Usually, we're talking about a family member who is concerned about a child that's in the care of another family member. So, for example, maybe it's a grandparent and they're worried that their child and maybe like their own daughter and son-in-law, for example, are not properly caring for their grandchildren, and they want to know if they can get custody of those grandchildren. So under certain circumstances, Arizona law does allow third parties to seek custody of children that are not their own. But there are very limited circumstances. There are some kind of technical legal requirements that are there that have to be satisfied under the statute. But the most significant one that people usually can't meet is that the child has to have essentially lived with that person for some length of time and treated them as a parent. So if you've got natural parents that are, drugged out and just absent, and the kids have been living with their grandparents for months at a time, and right up to the current time, that might be a situation where those grandparents could get custody of those children. Now, whether you can get custody and whether you should seek custody, those are sort of two separate things. It's very rare that I'll advise a grandparent to seek custody of their grandchildren. Imagine how it affects your relationship with your own child when you sue your child to take their child away, to take your grandchild away from the child's own parent. That's a horrible situation. It could estrange you from your child for life. And so it's very unusual, and only in extreme circumstances would we pursue it. There are very strong presumptions in favor of custody with the natural parents, and you have to have very significant and substantial evidence to overcome those presumptions.